Hiya, it's Helen from Hell of a Cake, and here's another elephant cake topper just because I adore elephants. Just before we start, all the products that we use throughout the tutorial will be in the description box below. Now take your modelling paste and roll it out into a pear shape, making sure you pat around the base to get the roundness of his bottom. Very quickly add a slope at the top of the pear so his head fits on better later on. To give the elephant a cute little tail, pinch and smooth his bottom just like this. Time to head in the right direction by making his head. After rolling the modelling paste, apply your little finger by rolling it back and forwards very gently. Handy little tip here. In the eye area, it should be a third of the way down from the top of his head. Repeat the same method as his tail to make his trunk so he can blow his own trumpet. Don't forget to redefine his eye area and his cheekbones. Attach his head and let's set his trunk off to an angle just so it gives him more character. Why, let's pop in 2 4mm sugar beads so he can see. Carrying on with his facial, roll and attach his eyebrows. If you blend in the line on his eyebrow edge, it makes it look more realistic. As you can see, I'm relining his trunk, adding some crease lines and just doing his mouth. Now roll and cut out his 4 legs. Press on the top of his leg, roll the shape before attaching to the elephant. Repeat this method another 3 times. This elephant's got soul. Well, now he has that I've attached 4 small circles to the soles of his feet. As you can see, I'm taking some very small balls of fondant and then just sticking them on for toes. Listen up, roll and cut out his ear. Attach and blend in the line. Repeat for the other ear. If you want to get a head, get a hat. Cut out 2 different circles ready to measure up. Handy little tip here, roll out some paste into a sausage. Put it in the cutter. This helps it to stay round. Take it out and then roll one side so it's thinner. Place both pieces onto its head. Add a blue strip on the hat, remembering to have the join at the front of the hat. Finally, just put some magical stars on the hat. Make sure the elephant can speak, just add his tongue. To finish the cheeky little elephant off, just dust in his cheeks and his ears. And here we have the finished cute little elephant. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.